Hello! Welcome to another interesting channel. I'm currently playing Card Hunter. Another interesting map, I'll call it. There you go. Name available. So this is a game I've put a few hours into it. Yada yada yada. Right, so here we go. Going to do a quest called Green Fangs Challenge using Gary, which is the DM's. This is this guy, Gary's older brother's characters for the start, which are all level 20 by the looks of it. Right, here I go. So, walk forward to here. This one walks forward at me. I'll use a chop attack, which I'll attack both of these since it's a double. Right. I'll use this on him. Then try use a fireball. That'll can't go any further over. Instead I'll use this, which should take them all out. There you go. Ooh. Inspiration target draws a card, right. I use Sorcerer's Bolt. Ooh. Right, I'm gonna go to here. He uses Sorcerer's Bolt on my Dwarven Warrior, or Melvin's Dwarven Warrior. Is it? I'll pass. Oh dear. Right, I'll use a heal on this dwarf then. Here we go. Now he's ended the round. Right, he's only got 6. I'm going to walk to here actually, and then I'll take these two out with my chop. Boom. He's now taken down. And if I just sprint forward, I'll use my priest, or his priest. There we go. Quite a quick battle. Took a bit of damage, but not too much. There you go. I get this knife, which is it's pretty good. Level 13 knife. That gives me all these cards here. So you see, all these cards are now given to me or added on to my deck, but they will replace. So these cards will replace the bare knuckle. There you go. Whoa. So I no longer have those, but I do have even better. Right, now to go against Green Fang. Here we go, Green Fang the dragon. So I'm going to stand, I think, here. He's gonna come for. Oh dear. Still in range though. That's good. Right. Penetrating bolt. I use a penetrating bolt on him. Oh dear. Right, so each tile, so that I'll use out smart. And then I have this move here, which is a cleansing burst, and that will eradicate. There you go. Oh no. Damn. Right, now I should run forward. Let's see, I'll run here. He's flying away. Trying to get away from me, he is. Right. Here we go. I'll sprint to. Oh dear. Can't see. Right, if I just. I'm going to have to stand here, I think. Which will hurt, but. Oh. Sorcerer's Bolt. You just stand here. There we go. I use a Sorcerer's Bolt on this one. Right, greater heal. Does that heal? Oh no! Damn, my mage is down! Ooh, he's on 12 now. Right, I'll stand up here. And then I'll try. Oh no, I can't charge any further forward. Attack skill. Right. Ooh, perfect strike. I'll just stand here. I'll sacrifice some of my health to take down. Here we go. Now I can take him out. Hopefully. Hey, there we go. Last strike, and he's down. Wasn't the best. Could have avoided if I played a little slower, but you know, I want to get out this tutorial and get on to my own characters. Sorry about that. So now his brother has kicked us from playing the game. So here we go. Or playing with his characters. Right, so dwarves have higher health, but they can't move as far. Humans are medium, so they move 3 tiles, while dwarves can only move 2 tiles. That's the default. But they have 16 health. Humans move have 14 health and have move 3 tiles, and elves have 12 health, but move 4 tiles. So I think I'm going to go with a human warrior. Right, so I'll call him. What's a name for a human warrior? I think I might call him King Arthur. Maybe? Yeah, King Arthur. Go on. Say,
Yay!
There we go, time for our first adventure.
Yeah.
There we go. King Arthur going up against some... What are they, kobolds? Yeah, going up against some kobold creatures. Here we go. So if I just run here, so then I'm closer to this guy. I'll then hit him with this, takes him to 2 health. And I'll hit him with a strike which KOs him, or kills him even, not KOs him. They actually die. They're out. I hope my phone just went off. Well, that was very received text. Alright then. Well, that was a bit embarrassing.
Yay!
Hey, look at that. Some treasure. Right, so I can sell these 2 bits of treasure to buy this axe. There you go. Now I get chop, weak strike. So yeah, this is still just in the bits.
What?
Right, King Arthur, time to go to another kobold fighting area. Kobold fighting area. Great English. Right, oh jeepers. Enemies halt when they move. Oh. Yellow squares, right.
Oh.
So he's saying, oh, don't let him get to you. So I'll hit this guy. Oh, blocked it, damn. That's annoying. Says don't let them surround you, so you don't want to lose too much health here. Whoa. Right, just take him out. Strike. I just run back one because I'm a little low on health. He's gonna have a strike for me, isn't he? Or not? Hey, there you go, chop, take them both down. Hey, level 2! King Arthur, level 2. And I now have a shield. Oh, will I get a shield from here or... Nope! Hey, a kobold weapon and some treasure. Right, kobold killer, it's called. Oh, I think I'm going to swap that for this because I still have simple strikes. Yeah. Right. Oh, apparently more heroes at the tavern.
Yay!
A human wizard. Recruit this character. I'm going to go with human wizard because I want a medium for wizard, because with my main deck that I use, my main characters, my elf wizard seems to die quite quickly. Now, I know it's mostly because low health, but I think it would be best having a human wizard instead of an elf wizard. I mean, I can buy another one later on, but so then I don't, so it's easier earlier on. so I can
Yeah.
proceed quite further.
Adventurer.
Right, here you go. So Zaxxar the wizard. Tunnels into darkness.
Yeah. Ambush.
Level 1 and 2. So this game's quite similar to Dungeons and Dragons or Pathfinder. If you play any of them, you might know. But this is obviously
Oh.
an online, a virtual game instead of a tabletop. So if I just spin forward, so I'll do 9 or I'll do 12 damage to him.
Yeah.
So I just use a spark on him now, here, and then if I strike, or I bludgeon him mine. Ooh. There you go. Oh, and then if I just run forward, 2. No, there we go. He's down. So throughout this game, you've got a bit of comedy, you could call it, which is an arguing Gary playing the DM, who's arguing with Merlin, which is his older brother, who's more oh dear, didn't mean to go on that. Who is more experienced than Gary, and he kind of criticises you, and he's a bit the bully older brother to the game. It's got some story elements to it. I mean, yeah, there's these dungeons, but then there's a fourth wall breaking, sort of. So you are playing a game where you play as yourself playing a game. That's what's happening here. Right, so I'll just use overwhelming. There you go. This one has 6, so I'll use a spark on him. Ooh, dear, right, I'll use a big zap on him. Right, and then I'll have to just use the symbols to take him down. So I've put quite a few hours into this game, I'd say about 70 hours ish. My characters are about my other characters are about level 12, I'd say. I don't know. Oh dear, I didn't get a good draw this time, did I? Right, I'll get rid of this walk because I don't think I'll be running anywhere. So he has 6, so I should be able to take him out if he doesn't. There we go. Done. Taken down. Open the chest. Well, cloth boots, not the best. No, not very good. I mean, it gives me a shuffle, but then shuffle's only 1. But it gives me a run as well. But I don't think I'll equip them. Right, to battle. To the hut. Like, the map has difficult terrain in it. You know, stop moving when you enter the difficult terrain. So these are difficult terrain. It slows you down, basically. Right, so if I just run forward, I'll sack this priest. Or not. I can't reach him with just my zap. I'll run over here though, so I can bludgeon this guy next. I'll use a telekinesis to bring him forward 1. I don't want to get too close. So if I just... Oh, damn! I'm getting good rolls, these kobolds. So this leaves him. Ooh, I'm gonna have to move back 1, I'd say. Or not, I'll just spark him. Right. Here we go. I'll use a bludgeon on this one. And I'll just stab him, you know. So I think I'll separate to go up here with this. And over here with my warrior. Which means I can be taking them both out at the same time. Right. Hopefully I get a good draw. Ooh. Right, so that's... This one, you blocked it! Ouch. If I just stand here then. And I'll penetrating strike him, or penetrating cut him even. Right, get rid of this block. And get rid of the sprint, I don't need it. Or run even. Keep calling it sprint. Sprint's a higher level. Gives you 5 movement, I believe. There we go. So we have our mage and our wizard even, and our warrior. Level 2, both level 2. Whoa, is that arcane item?
Whoa!
There you go, look at that, get an extra. Wow, that shaman had some nice loot. So this is for priests. And there you go, I've got a shield there, I'll just throw that down for the time being. Hopefully I'll get something better.
Huh.
Ah, look. So I think I'm going to get a dwarven priest, since he's got the highest health. What should we call them? Dungeons & Dragons. In our Dungeons & Dragons team party, we have a priest called Harbeck. So yes, I'm going to call him Harbeck. Harbeck? Yeah, Harbeck.
Yeah! Yay!
Your party's now full. Here we go. So we got our oh. Do we have any divine items? If we just exit here, I think I can modify party by going to here.
Huh.
Right. So look at Harbeck. Get a no divine weapons. Do we have this though? Unholy frenzy. Right, so if we just go out, and then I'll go to daily deals. Go to the armory, and I'll sell this treasure. Just go back out. Go to daily deals. It's a rare. Oh dear. No, I'm way too poor to get anything from here. Right. Just go back out then. So now we've got highway robbery, caverns of the troglodytes.
Adventurers!
Wizard's workshop. Ruby Demon Portal, Dungeon of the Lizard Priest, and the Daily Deal store, exotic and hard to obtain items. Right, so we've got all of our basic starter things that we need. Hey, up, he's selling my treasure. Right, I think I want to get a divine weapon first. I'm gonna go with this one because I can heal quite well. I mean, I need some heals, especially, well, not as much heals as you'd need if you were using an elven party, but I still need heals. Right.
And now.
You all the time you need heals. Healer. Yeah, so it is quite a fun game. You've got loads to explore, a range of different kinds of levels, and it sort of advances. Later on you go from having a fantasy style to getting quite futuristic. So you like a sci-fi kind of genre it goes into. So if I just move my warrior forward, and I'll move to stand here, and her to stand here. Oh, can't strike any of them. Right, end round. I'll get rid of this. I'll get rid of this. And I'll get rid of minor heal. Clumsy. Right. So he has 15 health. I'm going to use my... Ooh! Okay then. I'll take this guy out. Wait, can I can attack both of them. Right, so I'll take this one. I'll try to. I'll start by working on this one. I was hoping that one of them would try and go for... Oh dear. And my heal can reach it. Yeah, so these guys have good health. Right, so I'll just use big strikes on here. And there we go. Ooh. How far away can I get if I just stand here? And then I'll try something now. There we go. Now for a healing pulse or not. Fine, right, I'll stand. Yes, I'll stand here. So I can healing pulse. and then I'll bludgeon him from behind. And he couldn't, if he had a block, he wouldn't be able to block. And now I've got him in a position. Ooh. Or not. Right, I just want to keep my warrior on quite high health. Which is why on my other character, I have a warrior dwarf. But then, this can sort of work as a paladin. The priest dwarf can sort of work as a paladin. More than a priest, so an elven priest. If I was going to use an elven priest, I'd mostly just focus on using heals instead of actually having attacks. When with a human you'd go mixed, and I think with my dwarf I might go more damage. Ugh. Hey, look at that wild run. So I suppose it would be too much to expect that your youngsters have joined Card Hunter Club yet. As usual, I have to explain everything. Club members get an extra item each time they open a chest. Seriously, right. Ah. So this, you can buy pizzas. So you can put money into your pizza. So you can use your gold, or you can use real life money, which you can so you can put like a subscription and stuff. Wow. So if you go on this one, here you go. So you see here, it's all lightsabers and power armor. Right. Yes, definitely.
Pizza!
Here you go.
Oh.
So you see, there's also things that happen in the real world through the story, such as this pizza woman comes in multiple times. Right, so here we go. So this game is sort of like having a Dungeons & Dragons experience, but then on your own. Or with friends if you want. If you you can do, or yes, I'm gonna choose to go down here. I shouldn't have gone that close. I really shouldn't have gone that close.
Yeah.
That was a terrible idea. Christ, I really should have set bugger. Right, right, I'm gonna want to... Does that heal too? Yeah, I'm just gonna do heal on here. And... oof. At least we can take this one down. Oh dear. See, I don't want to lose my mage, because... well, I don't want to lose any of them, to tell you the truth, but, you know. Right, stab this guy. Once your characters die, they come back after your game has ended. The round, not the round, sorry, your turns have ended. So I'm just going to run back over here. Right. Penetrating cut. I can't reach, but how much do they have? 6. I'll go forward 1, because I can still then. Eee, dear. Right. Got myself into a bit of a kerfuffle here. I just hit. There we go. Can I still use it? Yes, I can. There we go. And then I'll... well, why not? I'll do it again. Surprising, I haven't had my warrior hit yet. Oh wow, my warrior's doing terrible. Terrible rolls. That's weird, she made the sound of a man. Well, I mean, well... gotta be careful what you say on the internet now. Now they're trying to combat my double team my dwarf, so if I just get rid of these two. Oh. Right, so he has 4 health, so I'm just gonna use that. And wow, he's getting good rolls, damn it. Wild run, discard your oldest card. Which is probably a run anyway, so bugger. You know what? Yeah, I'll sacrifice for the time being. Come on. Damn! Bugger. Alright, at least he passed. If I run forward, then I'm not going to be able to... No, I'm not going to be able to. Oh, I will. But, of course, yes, he blocks. Dear. End round. Right, get rid of these. There you go. Jeez, this is really replicating D&D here with its misses and blocks. Though I don't think you can actually miss in this game. Your attacks always hit unless they use a dodge or a block card. Right, just end round. Get rid of run. Yes, finally in a hey. This hits. Damn it. Of course it's the saved himself from it. Here we go. End round. I should defeat him next round. Oh, whoops. Run. See here, I have too many movement cards. Way too many. Sometimes it can get to the point where you have too little movement cards. Right, so I need to sort out. Oh no, I'm still holding the tip. She must think I'm a real jerk. Oh dear. Hey. Is that the exact same card? Yes it is. What or? See, some of the items aren't the best at the start. And I already have that, so don't really need it. Right. What her name is? Could it be something enchanting like Lyra? No, that's silly. Yes it is.
Encounter.
So I think if he stays in there, then he will gain points each turn. Or round. Not turn, that would... Oof. That'd be piss annoying. Up to 9 health. Damn it, I can't reach. I'll stay here. I'll heal. Oh dear. Hey, up now. But I'm probably gonna get absolutely bollocked. So yeah, sometimes it can be you'll go up against an enemy like this who's meant to be stronger, or it's meant to be more of a boss battle, but due to card draws it can go so quickly. Like that.
Victory.
Second, third round was that? Hey, look at that. Nearly level 2. Oh, I'm broke.
Whoa.
Right, there we go, so my renown level has gone up.
Woohoo! Yay!
There we go. Right, thanks for watching this first episode of Card Hunter. Hope to see you next time. Ta-ra!